Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to back my YouTube channel. Lighting arrestor. The lighting arrestor is the occurrence of a natural electrical discharge of very short duration and high voltage between and cloud and the ground or within an cloud. This is violent and sudden electrostatic discharge generates a bright flash and thunder. Types of electric lighting strokes. Types of lighting strokes. Direct strokes, indirect strokes. The direct strokes. In the direct strokes, the lighting discharge, i.e., current path, is directed from the cloud of the subject equipment and overhead line. From the line, the current path may be over the insulation down the pole of the ground. The over voltage setup due to the stroke may be large. In order to flash over this path directly to the ground, the direct strokes can be of two types: stroke A and stroke B. In stroke A, the diagram is upper side. In stroke A, the lighting discharge is from the cloud to the subject equipment and overhead line. In this case, as shown figure 1, the cloud will induce a charge of opposite sign on the tail object. An overhead line is in this case. When the potential between the cloud and line exceeds the breakdown value of air, the lighting discharge occurs between the cloud and the line. In this stroke B, second, the lighting discharge occurs on the overhead line as a result of stroke A between the cloud as shown figure 24.5. Yes. There are three clouds P, Q, and R having positive, negative, and positive charges respectively. The charge on the cloud Q is bound by the cloud R. If the cloud P shift to near the cloud Q, then lighting discharge will occur between them and charges on both these clouds disappear quickly. The result is that charge on cloud R suddenly becomes free and it then discharges rapidly to earth, ignoring tail objects. Indirect strokes diagram. Indirect strokes result from the electrostatically induced charges. The conductor to the presence of charged clouds. This is illustrated figure A positively. Charged cloud is above the line and induce a negative charge the line by electrostatic induction. The negative charge, however, will be only on that portion of the line right under the cloud and line. Portion of the line away from it will be positively charged as shown figure. The induced positive charge leaks slowly to earth via the insulation when the cloud discharge to earth or to another cloud. The negative charge on the wire is isolated as it cannot flow quickly to earth over line. Insulators. The result is that negative charge rushes along the line in both directions in the form of traveling waves. It may be worthwhile to maintain here that majority of the surges in a transmission line are caused by indirect lighting strokes. Harmful effect of lighting. Lighting often causes heavy damage to animals and people. Caught in a thunderstorm as it burns up everything that comes its way. It can cause fire and destroy buildings. It can also destroy electronic equipment such as television, video, cassettes players, compact disc players, compute